Hi, I'm Adam from Adam's Bake Shop, and today we're here to cook a bread and butter pudding. Here we've got all the ingredients for the pudding, and over here we've got all the ingredients for the sauce. We've lightly greased the baking tray and set that to the side, and our first step here now is to get the raisins and steep it in rum for about 20 minutes. Peel the apple and core it out. This one we're just going to do a nice slice just because it's more rustic, and we're going with a dice on the bread. Now that the apples are sliced, we can move them over to the saute pan. Over a medium heat, we're going to chuck the apples in. Now we're pouring in the maple syrup to give it an even coating. Next we're adding just about a teaspoon of cinnamon, just to give it a bit of an extra flavor. While these apples are browning, now it's time to get our pan on to make the cream sauce for our bread pudding. Now we're just pouring in this cream, pour in the sugar, and just wait for it to dissolve through. Now that we've got those on the stove, it's time for us to slice the bread. And this is a gluten-free bread, which is awesome because now with special dietary needs becoming a big part in the industry, this appeals to a broader market. We're going to grab the cream mixture and pour it back over. We're going to take out this bowl, we're going to crack some eggs, and we're going to whisk it in with some of the rum that's been steeping with the raisins and some vanilla syrup. This is the part where we can start our build. We'll grab the apples and add it to the bread so it doesn't curdle the eggs. Pour the raisins in and mix it around so that it all mixes through the bread, and then we'll place it into our baking tray and into the oven for 30 minutes. Now it's in the oven, it's time to make the sauce to drizzle over the top. First we put in the butter, next we'll put in the cream, brown sugar, pinch of sea salt, now the spiced rum and vanilla syrup. Stir through the mixture and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now that you see the bubbles are developing, that means the sauce is just about ready to drizzle over the bread pudding. Look at that beautiful crust. So there you have it. Here's my gluten-free bread and butter pudding with the spiced rum sauce.